baliw siya, parang paakyat-akyat baba siya ng sofa kasi hindi niya alam yung gagawin niya. Hi Elio, hi user, hi Shinchan. Hindi niya alam yung gagawin niya. 'Di ba masakit talaga yung ito yung totoong video niya 'no. 3 minutes nga. Paparinig ko na lang sa inyo yung boses ko. Nandito sumigaw ako eh. Hindi ko na sinabi. Pangit ko. Ganun tunog ko. Tingnan mo. Hindi ko na nga makita. Nalulungkot tuloy ako. So, takot ng tiyan ko kanina. Buti na lang wala na. Smiley. Ito pala yung mic. Pakita ko sa inyo. Na-unbox ko na to kahapon. Kagabi pala. Hindi ko alam kung para saan to. Yes, nag-dinner na ako. Nagluto si Mahal ng adobong chicken. Sobrang sarap. Ito siya. When you open it, ganito siya. Yan. Meron siyang hindi ko alam actually kung para saan to. Para siyang yung sa iPhone. Yung pantanggal ng SIM card. Yan. Tapos, I don't know. Hindi ko sure. Aaralin ko pa to. Tapos, merong, ala, nahulog. Si Bakla nahulog, be. Wala yung pag-open ni Bakla. Hindi ko alam eh. Hindi ko pa siya naaaral. Hindi ko pa naaaral, Mahal. Tapos, ganito siya. Okay, wait. So, pag tinanggal mo to, may ganyan siya. Mari-reveal na agad yung mic. Yan. So, bale, etong dalawa yung mic. So, I have 2 mics and then, ito yung pang saksak sa phone. If gagamitan mo ng phone, ito siya. Very handy. Ayan, masabi mong original siya. Kasi meron siyang mga ganyan. I don't know how do you call that. Yes, maganda siya. Tapos magaan siya. Hindi siya mukhang mamahalin. Yan. Pero medyo mahal nga lang to. Yan. Tapos ano siya, USB type. Type-C. Type-C siya. Meron din tong iPhone type. Pero pinili ko yung Type-C kasi Type-C yung isa kong phone. Tsaka, yes, yun. And then, these are the mics. So, bale, ayan, pricey nga lang siya. Pero magandang quality daw to. So, ayan siya. Pwede mo siyang gawing lapel. Pwede siyang idikit sa dito. Yan, ganyan. Ganyan. So, 'di ba usually yung mga nakikita natin na mga nag-contents, ganyan, may mic. Ganyan naman talaga. That's what you call lapel. Lapel siya. Hi, user! I missed you. So, yan. And then, I have 2 of this. So, bali dalawa siya. So, for example, mag-content kami ni Mahal. Or, ay, putik ka. So, magko-content kami ni Mahal, for example. So, tag-isa kami. I miss you too, Nuggets! sa tag-isa kami or for example, magko-content ako with other people. Like for example, outside, tapos meron akong kakausapin, so lagyan ko siya ng lapel. Yan, ito. And then, what I like about this is pwede siyang ilagay sa camera. Yay! How are you? Pwede mo siyang ilagay sa camera. So, kaya gusto ko siya kasi pwede siyang pang outdoor talaga ng camera, pwede siyang pang vlog. And then, yung laman ng eto may laman 'to. So, aside from this pin, I don't know kung para saan yung pin na yan. Pang pin na yan, eto, may laman 'to, yan. So, meron siyang 'yon, 'di ba? May ganito siya. Very social, very demure. Charis. You're fine, that's good. And then, yung loob nito is, ang laman ay dalawang pang-noise reduction para 'to sa mic. So, lalagay mo siya dito. Di ko lang alam kung saan banda, dito ata, 'yan. 'Di ba nakikita niyo may ganyan, 'yan oh, may ganyan. Hello, 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 'yan. Pang-noise reduction 'to, itong ganito. 'Yan, para kahit maingay sa pinagshushutan mo, meron kang noise cancellation, gano'n, 'yun yung tawag niya. So, maganda siya. I like it. And then, syempre may dalawa siyang gano'n. At meron din siyang dalawang charger. To. Para sa mismong mic. So, what I like about this is dalawa yung pang-charge niya. So, hindi mag-aagawan ng oras yung dalawang mic. Kailangan lang siya ng dalawang ulo. Anong tawag sa ulo? Si Bobo. Yun. And then, it comes with ang cute nito. Mahilig ako sa mga pouches. Kaso nagtatanong ako kay Mahal kung sino may boya? Kung meron ba tong casing? Kasi magagasgas magagasgas lang to sa akin. Tsaka nakita niyo naman, kaka-open ko pa lang nahulog agad, 'di ba? So magagasgas siya at tsaka mukha siyang gasgasin, no? Yung texture niya dito, mukhang gasgasin. So, naghahanap ako kung meron ba? Nag-search ako kahapon, wala akong makita eh. Casing, kasi kailangan sa akin yung mga gadgets and yung mga na gasgasin, kailangan ko ng casing. Hi, Mahal. So, ayun, naghahanap ako ng casing. Sana talaga meron. Pero kasi wala naman akong nakitang may casing. Camera ko nga may casing eh. Yung watch ko, late ko na nalagyan ng casing. Ay, puwit ka, nahulog. Tapos, it comes with a warranty. May warranty siya. I think it's a 1-year warranty. And then, meron siyang guideline. So, kung paano mo siya gagamitin, ayan o, pwede mo siyang ilagay sa camera. Ayan o, pwede mo siyang ilagay sa camera. Yan. Diba? And then, pwede siyang gawing lapel lang. Pwede siyang ilagay sa phone. Yes. And camera. Pwede siya sa camera. And, yun. Kaya I like it. No, not yet, not yet. Tatry ko, aralin ko muna and then, iko-content ko siya. Okay? So, di ba ganda siya? Pero, magkano nga to sa, TikTok? Medyo pricey lang siya, but, if you are a content creator, if meron kayong, video or, business na kailangan ng audio, this one is good. Good investment siya. And it's original. It's good for the price. Hindi siya yung tulad ng yung mga mic na hinahawakan or like yung maliliit tapos nilalagay dito tapos medyo sabog pa rin yung boses. Eto, base sa nakita ko, kaya ako napa-order nito, is talagang maganda yung quality, may noise cancellation talaga, and very handy, good for 2, good for phone, camera, and it's nice. Especially sa ginagawa ko, it's nice. And para pag nag-vlog din kami, merong magandang quality ng mic. Actually, yung DJI, may mic naman yun. Dapat bibili kami ng isa pang DJI na mic. Pero next time na lang. Ito kasi gusto ko rin siya i-promote sa TikTok ko. But it's also nice kasi dalawa na yung mic. And again, good for camera siya. And okay siya pang everyday use. Ganon. Or depende, pang outdoor, pang contents, ganyan. Yung DJI, nagamit na namin yan before, sitting vlog. Isa lang kasi yung DJI na mic namin. Dapat kapag mag-aano kami, at least dapat dalawa. Kasi tag-isa kami or kung meron kaming kasamang iba. Pero dahil na-encounter ko si Boya, itatry ko siya. Yan. Tapos sasabihan ko kayo kung goods. Kung hindi, sasabihan ko rin kayo. Pero again, kaya ako siya in-order kasi nga maganda yung quality niya and maganda yung mga reviews sa kanya. So kapag maganda siya, magre-review din ako. Sabihin ko sa inyo. Yes. Hi, Iris! Question and answer tayo, mahal. Ano pa bang orders ko na dumating? Pwede kong i-share sa inyo. As of now pala, wala. Wala pala. Yeah, huli. Ito yung isang regalo. Hi! Hi, Ayla! Ano, user hindi na po. Ano kanina, hindi po yung masakit sa akin. Yung ano yung masakit sa akin, yung... Wait lang. Yung ano yung masakit sa akin, yung chan lang. Wait lang ha. Mahal, sayang pala nag-ano kami, nag-Hong Kong kami. Sayang hindi tayo nagkita. Nakakabagot, kaya nga eh. Ito yung isang gift sa nakakabagot talaga sa airport lalo na 'pag wala kang kasama ta's matagal pa yung flight mo. Mahal, mag-iingat ka diyan, ha. Ito yung isang ring na binigay sa'kin ni mahal kasama nitong ring na 'to. Ito siya, flower. Wow! Ta's nandito yung ring. Thank you, Jam! Ito siya. Cute ng flower, oh. Ay! Ba't walang aircon? Ito yung sing-sing. 'Di ba, ang pangit lang ng nails ko. Hindi na kumasya. Dito siya. Sabi ko masyado lang OA. Kasi kung mahal masyadong OA naman yung laki ng stone na ito. Hindi sa akin bagay. Mukhang pang malaking daliri. Hindi naman malaki yung daliri ko. Pero okay naman siya pang mga events. Like, mga formal na suotan, mga dress, gown, ganon. Pwede ko siyang gamitin. So, hindi ko siya pwedeng pang everyday. Tingnan mo naman difference nito. 'Di ba, masyadong papansin. Eto, pang everyday talaga siya. Pwede mo siyang magamit sa kahit ano. Eto hindi, 'di ba? But it's so nice. Eto din pang everyday 'to. Kaya lagi ko 'tong suot. Papalinis ko nga 'to eh, 'tong dalawa kasi parehas silang madumi. So, this one, so nice. Right? Pero tatago ko lang siya sa special na lagayan. Saan nga niya 'to binigay? Nung birthday ko. It's so nice. And dito siya nakatago. Diba? It's nice. And, yun lang. Yun lang naman. Ito, regalo to ni CJ sa akin. Yan. Oh, panis. Power bank. Bantot. And then, ito regalo ni Patrick. Pupunin niya. Same kami, nagpupunuan kami ng ring. Nagpupunuan kami ng rings ng kamay ng isa't isa. Dami ko na palang power banks. Punuan kami, mahal. Para masaya, di ba? Para masaya. Mahal, ano pa ng charger nung DJI stand? Type C ba yun? What does it mean to be authentic? Okay, type C. Alright. What does it mean to be authentic? Thank you, Platenya. To be authentic is being who you are, being yourself. Kasi kahit na for example, pag sinabi, I'm just being myself, pero bakit ang dami kong ba't ang dami kong kapareho? If you are truly being yourself, you are being authentic. Kahit maraming tao yung gumagawa ng ginagawa mo, if you are authentic, you are doing it differently. Like for example, I am a content creator and I am being authentic. But I can say na ang dami ring content creator, 'di ba? But the question is, are they authentic? No, not all of them are authentic, right? But we have a lot in common. Like for example, we do contents, we do dancing, we do like this and like that. But authentic, kanya-kanyang authenticity 'yon, 'di ba? So, you are being authentic if you are being yourself. Being authentic doesn't mean wala kang kaparehas. For example, when you say, Jollibee owner ako or Jollibee brand ako. When I say Jollibee brand ako, am I being authentic or not? Word, paano ka magiging authentic kung Jollibee brand ka? May McDo. Nauna si McDo or nauna si Mang Inasal or nauna si Greenwich. We are doing the same thing. We are targeting the same market. But it doesn't mean we are not being authentic. Making your own brand is authenticity. Making your own recipe is authenticity. Making or marketing something the way or different from how other people market their products are authenticity. But it doesn't mean if you are authentic, wala ka ng kaparehas. Minsan nagva-vary kung paano mo siya ini-explore, kung paano mo siya ini-execute, kung paano mo siya dinadala, paano mo siya kinukuwento, paano mo siya showcase. So again, authenticity comes by your being real and not comparing yourself to other people kasi parang sabihin mo, hala, siya lahat meron na siya. Si ganito sumasayaw, si ganito gumaganyan. It doesn't mean na sila sumasayaw na hindi ka na pwedeng sumayaw. Of course, pwede kang sumayaw, but authenticity comes with being yourself. Kung ginagaya mo lang sila, you're not being authentic. But if you are producing other steps, or if you are making new steps, it means you're being authentic. But dancing doesn't mean you're not authentic kasi may mga sumasayaw na gets nyo. Yun yung parang yun yung metaphor. Na hindi porket sumasayaw sila tas sumayaw ka, hindi ka na authentic. What makes you authentic is kung ano yung i-offer mo sa sayaw. Ganun. Because there's a lot of things na redundant lang and yun lang yung line talaga. But what makes you different is being authentic or being yourself. But there's a lot of people na gaya-gaya lang. Para lang masabi na ganito, na ganyan sila yung nauna and stuff. Pero sila mo talaga yung manggagaya. Those people are not authentic because again, tulad ng sabi ko before, 'di ba sabi ko dati, kahit maraming taong pumutol ng bunga ko, hinding-hindi nila magagaya kung ano man yung mga ginagawa o nagawa ko. Dahil kahit gaano nila nakawin yung prutas ko o putulin ng putulin yung bunga ko, kunin ng kunin yung mga dahon ko, tutubo at tutubo ako kasi nasa akin yung original na ugat. Gets nyo? So kahit gaano ka ubusin ng tao sa kakagaya, sa kakakuha, kahit gaano ka nila nakawan ng ideas and stuff, pag naubos lahat ng ninakaw nila galing sa'yo, hindi na nila masusundan yon kasi ikaw yung puno nun. Wow, that's so nice. Diba? And they will never ever gonna copy the person who is producing it. Alam niyo yung palabas na, I forgot the name, but it's about Christmas. Ano siya, Christmas, oh yeah, it's about Christmas. Inventor yung lalaki na matanda, inventor siya. And then, meron siyang kanang kamay na lalaki. Yeah, meron siyang kanang kamay na lalaki. Tapos, sobrang galing niyang inventor. Siya yung pinakakilalang inventor sa village nila. And then one time, lahat ng mga in-invent nung master niya sa libro, ninakaw niya yung lahat. So what happened, ang nangyari is, nung ninakaw niya yung invention nung master niya, pumunta siya sa other village, ginawa niya yung invention, yung mga nasa libro ng invention ng master niya. So, ang nangyari is, bumaba yung sales ng totoong inventor. Tapos siya na nagnakaw lang ng invention. Siya yung naging sikat, siya yung naging kilalang inventor and stuff. But eventually, yung libro nag-run out. Because he's not the writer or the owner of that book or the knowledge or the man behind that book, naubos na yung libro. So, wala na siyang next na ipoproduce kasi ninakaw niya lang yun. But, the man behind that, hindi man siya naging successful sa paningin ng tao, pero siya pa rin yung punot dulo ng creations na yun. And then, eventually, siya yung nagwagi. Kasi, siya yung nagpatuloy ng inventions. Siya yung nag-produce ng mas better. Hi, JR! Jingle Jangle. I think I forgot. I forgot. Tas parang may apo yung matanda tas hindi niya ina-acknowledge. Tama ba? Basta ganon. Parang it comes with magic something, but ang pinaka deep nun is whatever you take from other people, it will never grow. No, I think your goddaughter is Moshi, not me. Not me, Moshi. Ako na yung naging goddaughter niya. Moshi's your goddaughter, same with CJ. CJ is Moshi's godmother. So yun, whatever your kumbaga kahit gaano ka magnakaw ng knowledge sa ibang tao, gumaya, kumopi, at the end of the day, wala kang ibubuga because it's all from other people. Diba? Yun lang. Daming sinabi, no? You willing to be words godmother? How do we find peace in a chaotic world? Ako, chaotic naman talaga tayo, diba? But I still have my peace. I think, in a very chaotic situation, if we always look into the bad things, the bad things are always gonna be the final destination. Charis. Yun yung laging yung bad thing yung laging conclusion ng buhay natin. It's gonna be in our mind. Yun yung mag-run sa thoughts natin and sa mind natin. But if you're gonna look into the positive things, kahit gaano ka-chaotic yung paligid mo, makikita mo pa rin yung beauty eh. Like for example, ako, hindi naman not everything na nangyayari sa buhay ko is maganda, 'di ba? May mga negative din na nangyayari sa buhay ko, may mga ups, may mga downs, may painful, may traumatic, may lahat ng emotions. But then again, I always choose to look into the good things kahit napaka-chaotic na nangyayari sa buhay ko. Kasi, you just need to look into one place or one thing or person na makakapagpa-switch ng chaotic mong mindset or like ng mundo mo na magiging better siya in a way. Gets niyo? Parang like for example, ito, sobrang chaotic na to. Ang dami kong pwedeng tingnan but I'm choosing to look into my finger. So everything became blurred. And then ito na yung naging etong finger na yung naging you try it. Tingnan niyo yung paligid niyo. Pag yung paligid niyo tinignan niyo, you cannot see the happy thing that is happening in your life. But if you're gonna look into the happy one, magiging blur na yung chaotic na paligid niyo. Try niyo, tingnan niyo. Tingin kayo sa finger niyo, tas yung paligid magiging blur. Pero pag hindi kayo nakatingin sa finger, nagiging blur yung finger. Gets niyo? So always find happiness, always find positivities in your life so that you can be happy sa chaotic na world. It's hard. I mean, madali lang magsabi. It's easy to say things, hi, pero mahirap gawin yun. Pero, kailangan mong gawin yun. Kailangan mong maghanap ng bagay na nakakasaya mo or sasaya ka or somehow okay ka sa chaotic mong world pala. Yan. Ginagawa ko? Nagla-live.
Hanap ko na.
Very good. Sabi sa'yo eh. You didn't need something. You didn't need some love. You just need something. Oh! Finale ko pala ngayon. It's the last day of my campaign pala. Imagine ninyo, hindi ko naalala. Hi, Mr. Romantico. Question pa tayo, mahal. Hey, you need some... Top 20 lang pala to. I just love you can be something. Oh. What is the relationship? Huh? What is the relationship of what, mahal? Hi, creatives. What is the relationship between passion and career? Relationship? Sino nagtanong nun? What is the relationship between passion and career? I think, ang passion kasi, hindi. Kaya nating sagutin yan. Kailangan lang i-process ng utak, syempre. Ang passion kasi and career, it has a huge difference. Kasi ang passion is the things that you want to do. Career is what you want to be. Right? But sometimes, yung passion natin nagiging career na natin siya. I think, kasi hindi naman lahat ng gusto natin yung natin, like yung gusto nating gawin, yun yung gusto nating maging at the end of the day, di ba? Like for example, the career that you want is to become a lawyer, but your passion is dancing. So it's different, right? Sobrang different nun. Passion is the things that you really want to do, but the career is the things that you really want to be. And it's different. Pero ang relationship ng passion and career, I think is the dedication kung saan mo gustong mapunta. Kasi like for example, sa passion, even though it's your passion, that's the thing that you want to do. If you don't have the dedication to do it, hindi yun mangyayari na maging like mapunta ka dun sa passion mo na yun or like magstay ka sa passion mo na yun. Same goes with career. If wala kang dedication to achieve the career that you want, I think hindi mo rin siya makukuha. Pero, yun nga, may malaking difference yun because not everyone's career is their passion. Kaya nga, di ba may mga bagay na gusto kong maging lawyer pero pangarap ko maging lawyer pero hindi naman yun yung gusto ng puso ko. Like, yung gusto ng puso ko mag-drawing, yung gusto ng puso ko sumayaw, kumanta. So, ending ang nagiging career nila is artista, 'di ba? Passion nila yun. At the same time, naging career nila. But, may difference yun. Pero, ang relationship nun is yung parehas mo silang gusto. Parehas mo silang gusto pero magkaiba lang sila ng branches. Gets mo? May mga bagay kasi minsan na hindi natin kayang pagsabayin or may mga bagay na hindi natin dapat pagsabayin. 'Di ba? Laging ang gano'n, 'di ba? Bakit ang parents, bakit ka po sumasayaw na sumasayaw? Bakit may mangyayari ba sa sasayaw mo? Mag-aral ka para 'pag nakapagtapos ka magiging doktor ka, 'di ba? May gano'n, lalo yung mga dancer. Ako kasi dati sumasayaw ako, eh. Ang lagi kong naririnig, hindi naman sa nanay at tatay ko, pero sa ibang tao, walang patutunguhan yung pagsasayaw. Hindi ka mabubuhay diyan. And it's wrong because there's a lot of dancers na yun yung bumuhay sa pamilya nila and stuff. So, yun yung passion. Pero yung career is yung gusto nilang maging pag-graduate, maging doktor, maging ganyan. I think dedication yung relationship ng isa't isa. Pero different thing yun sila parehas. As in, sobrang magkaiba yun sila. Pero dedication yung relationship siguro. Kasi kung wala kang dedication dito, hindi ka magsasucceed sa passion mo. Kung wala kang dedication sa career path or sa career na gusto mo, hindi ka rin magsasucceed doon. I think dedication yung relationship. Or like, for example, alam niyo yung ano nga yun, nakalimutan ko, hindi kasi ako magaling sa math eh. Like for example, teach me how to doggy. Like for example, ano nga yung sinabi ko? Nabobobo ko ngayon. Ano nga yung sinabi ko dun sa movie nila Joshua? Nag-overlap here. So, this is the passion. Passion. And then, other circle but overlapping. This is the career. Career. Etong nasa gitna, ito. Yan. Yan yung determination. Or ano nga yung word ko kanina? Yung relationship nila? Determination ba yun? May short-term memory si bakla. Ano nga yung sinasabi ko doon kanina? Yung mga nakikinig? Kung nakikinig kayo sa sinasabi ko. Hello? Ay, walang nakikinig pala eh. Hello? Hi, you're my Bian. Hello? Hindi niyo alam yung sinasabi ko kanina. Hi, user. Hi, I love you. Hi, Budan. Hi, Manriza. Hala, walang nagko-comment kung ano yung sinasabi ko kanina. So, ibig sabihin, hindi pala kayo nag-aano. Dedication. Yan. So, yun yung dedication. Ito. Yan yung nag-overlap sa kanila. Hindi naman kayo nakikinig eh. Si ano na yung nakikinig, si user lang. Today is our last day of You are my destiny. So, yun. Ayan yung dedication. This one is the dedication. And then, passion and career. Nasagot ko ba? Nasagot ko ba siya? Thank you, Jennifer. Asa na? More question, please. JR, are you still there? If you're still there, can you ask questions? Can you ask a question? Like something about life or whatever you want. Si user. Mga tayong questions. Ayaw niyo mag-ask ng question? Hi, Malcolm James. Ayaw niyo na magtanong? Hindi mag-how to be me. Alright, let's go. I'm gonna wait. Sige. Just ask your question, okay? I'm just gonna answer this question. What does it mean to live in the moment? What does it mean to live in the moment? It means to feel what you are experiencing right now. It means to um be grateful of your today, because your today is what you prayed for 5 years ago, 6 years ago. Because sometimes we are forgetting to celebrate our wins, even the small wins of today, because we are busy looking forward for our future. We are busy working for our future without even thinking that our today is what we prayed for 5 years ago, 3 years ago, 6 years ago, or 10 years ago. So live your today by being grateful, by feeling it, by doing things or appreciating. Kasi, di ba, yung mga kahit ako sobrang thankful ako kasi yung mga na pinagpe-pray ko lang last time, last year, meron ako na-experience ko siya. So, in, nililive ko yung moment. Hindi porket nandito na sa'yo, hindi mo na mapapansin, tapos ang gagawin mo, "Hi, User J!" Tapos gagawin mo na lang, gawin yung para sa future mo. If you were given $1 million, what would you do with it? Wow! $1 million is, wait, I'm gonna calculate. $1 million in peso is, gosh, it's 58 million pesos. If I have $1 million, I think what I'm gonna do is, um I'm not gonna donate it because I'm not sure if the people who you're gonna give your money, or like gonna trust with your money, we're not sure if they were gonna give it to the people who needs it. But what I'm gonna do first is, I'm gonna make my own, because I always do that, the charity thing. We fed 200 children in the province last year, and then last year as well, we gave a Christmas pack for the people as well. So I do that, so I don't need to give money to charities, because I'm gonna be the charity. I'm gonna do the charity. So I think I'm gonna go to different places to spend. I don't know how much, but that's the first thing I'm gonna do, because if I'm gonna be blessed with that kind of, or that amount of money, I need to be a blessing to other people as well. And I'm not joking or like kidding if that will happen. Okay, I promise. That's one thing that I promise the Lord. If He will bless me a lot of, even though He's not, even though I'm not yet blessed with a lot or like huge things or amounts, like compared to other people, I'm already doing the thing that I want to do. How much more if I receive that kind of money, right? So that's the first thing I'm gonna do. Second is, I'm gonna, cause 58, it's gonna be a 58 million pesos here in the Philippines. I'm gonna I'm gonna have my business so that the money keeps on flowing, right? And then so charity, business, so that if I'll have my own business, the money will keep on going, and then I can be a blessing again to other people, right? And then I think if I'm done helping other people and I have my business, I'm gonna help the people who love me, especially my family, and the people who are supporting me in a way, I guess. And then if I still have money left, I'm gonna buy my own house. Because that's one of my dream, to have my own house. So my dream comes last. What kind of business? That's what I'm gonna think of, because I am not the person who are always doing things that I am not thinking very deeply or carefully. It's easy to say I want this kind of business, but you cannot. But a lot of people cannot sustain it because it's hard, right? So if I'm gonna build a business, I'm gonna make sure that I can handle it. Second, I'm ready for it, and third is I can put my everything to it, so that every penny that I'm gonna spend to that business is not gonna waste. It's not gonna go to waste, right? So that's what I'm not sure at this moment, if what kind of business, but for sure I'm gonna be having one someday. Big one. Yeah, the big one. So I guess the $1 million is already but I did a lot, right? Charity, business, helping others, and buying my own house, right? Wow, how I wish. 102.5. Excuse me. If I had 1 million, I'd help you out. Really? That's so nice. I like it. That's what JR said. If meron siyang 1 million, tutulungan niya ako sa gusto ko. Eh kayo, if you have $1 million, what will you do, guys? My coworkers tell me if I won the lottery, they'll also want one. Oh, if you won 1 million, they also want 1 million. They cannot just ask you 1 million because you just won the 1 million. Unless you won 50 million. Can I have 1 million? That's why. Why? Are you buying tickets for lottery? Hi Rose. Anong gagawin niyo mahal sa $1 million kung meron kayo? Why don't you try to buy ticket for the lottery? You might win. Hi Winzy. Wenzy pala. Invest sa business. Kung may $1 million ka, 58 million sa peso yun. Hi Seti. Ibabagsak ko sa'yo. I-cash mo na lang. Wag mo na ibagsak. Yeah. Wow! Thank you, JR! Wow! Thank you, JR! We still have 30 minutes to win this campaign. Let's go. Let's go. Let's enter top 20. As of now, I'm in top 22. Hi, user! Thank you, JR! Oh! Ano? Question nga ulit. Sorry, hindi ko nakita yung question. I will share the people who need the most and then buy a house and that for my family. Itago sa bank tapos mag-donate sa church. Thank you, fairy godmother. Thank you, fairy godmother. You are the godmother of Moshi, but you are my fairy godmother. Ay, nako. Hi, Xiao Pao. Hi, user. Wala na kayong question? JR, do you have other question? I like to answer questions. That's what I do always. But what I answered are true. If I'm gonna be blessed with that kind of amount, I'm gonna do everything I said. I'm gonna do those things. If I'm gonna choose one, success or love, what would it be? Success or love? What do you mean by success or love? If love or career, dami ko nang na-encounter na ganyang question, but I'm gonna choose the both because I can be successful even I'm in love, right? Next place you'd want to visit that you haven't been to before. I think because we're almost done to Asia. Thank you, Lord! Special thanks kay CJ! Dahil, because I think I think because I think we're gonna go to Japan next year. I think Korea or Europe. Yeah, I think Korea or Europe. Korea or Europe or Maryland. Yeah, Charis. Exact place the airport. CJ's in the airport right now. She's going back to Singapore. Yeah. Hong Kong. I think Korea or Europe. Yeah. Or Maryland. Or asan nga siya ngayon? You're in Maryland right now, right? Wala pang tama. Anong wala pang tama? Or in California. You are 1 hour away from Cali, right? Kumain na ako. Pwede. Hi, KP! Hi, Joey J. No, for... Saan nga siya, mahal? Joey J, hello. Welcome to my live. Happy lang. Other side of the country. Which one? The Cali? Or the Maryland? Saan nga siya, mahal? I'm from the Philippines, Joey J. Where are you from? Sabi ko mag-drop ako same lang kay JR pag nahulaan nyo kung nasan ako ngayon. Sorry. Ay, may nagsabing airport. May nagsabing airport pala, di ba? May nagsabing airport. Maryland and asan nga siya, mahal? Saan nga siya ngayon? Hi, Pao. Anong exact place daw? Or terminal or like mismong mismong store, ganon? Nasa lounge airport ka daw. Malulaan nyo. Magpapa 120 si CJ. Terminal 3, fine dining, Starbucks, nasa Kenny Rogers or... saan nga si Saan nga si JR? Hi, Sir James! Maryland, hindi, wala siya sa Maryland ngayon. Saan country nga siya? How are you, Sir James? Hi, Zinger Box. Wow! Thank you. Wow! Thank you, Sir James. Wow! Thank you, Sir James. Let's go 200K. I think Sir James will help me reach 200K. Hey! Wow! Oh my gosh, thank you, Sir James! Oh my god! Thank you, Sir James! You're the best! Thank you so much! See you soon! See you soon, Sir James! Thank you so much! I missed that. It's been a long time since the last time you visited my live. Parang uuwi na naman. Hindi siya uuwi ng Pinas. Kakagaling niya sa Pinas. Ward X Ward from Porvida. What's Porvida? Porvida. What's Porvida? What's that? Sa Canada si Sir James. Sir James, are you in Canada right now? For life. Alright. Nandito pa. Nasa Philippines pa yan si CJ eh. Are you in Canada right now, Sir James? Oh, wait. Oh, because it's Friday. Okay. It's Friday night. Yeah. See you very soon. Okay. I see. You know what? Every time you drop by to my live, you're always out. I think I like it. I think you're gonna make it 250 this time. Don't drink soju. Don't. I think Sir James will gonna make it 250. Are you with me, guys? Diba? Every time he's gonna drop by, he's always out. He's always in parties. He's so bad. Based off what I saw, I think it is. Hi, pal! Thank you so much. You can drop, mix and match, halo halo, Uber ang saya, and halo halo time. Yeah. Sir James almost threw up because of the soju. Come on, CJ. Everyone else is dropping it. Ano? Mali na hamon ka ni JR. JR is challenging you. Sabihin mo, mahal pa na-drop ka, mag-drop siya ulit. Ay, nako. Hi, Iris. Ipawalan mo. Feeling ko nga feeling ko papa 250 ni Sir James. No one guessed where she was daw. Can you guess? Can you guess, JR? No, she's not in Hong Kong. She's in the Philippine airport. But where exactly? Ano ba? Like terminal ba? Or like exact location mo ngayon? You're in a bathroom. Or I think you're still... You're in a restaurant or cafe. Or still in line for the baggage, dropping of your baggage. In the middle of immigration. Pwede! Pwede. Yeah, I think nasa line ka pa nga ng immigration or sa pag-drop ng bag, kumukuha ka pa. O nasa ano ka, nasa line ka para sa pag-check ng gamit. Check ng gamit papasok sa immigration. Sige. Yes. Tama, mali. Or you're shopping sa duty free. Charis. I think you're in the bathroom pooping. I think you're in someone's heart. Chadang! I think you are... Ano sabi ni Nugget? Yeah, that's what I said. I think you're in a cafe or in a restaurant earlier. I think you're going to meet Mahal. No, we already met. We've been together for like how many days? Mainit pa din sa airport kasi brown out ka na. Ay, talaga? Kaya pala sabi mo mainit. Drop ka na. Pinadrop ka na, Mahal. Wanting to take a nap because you're still tired from all the travel. I think she's still walking or eating. Walang aircon because it's brown out. Oh my gosh, it's so hot. I think you are... I don't know. Wait, ano? My armpit is crying. Tayo. Alam mo to. Restaurant? Nasa restaurant ka? Kenny Rogers. Yung restaurant na kinainan namin nung na-late kami. No, hindi sa Starbucks. Pero kumakain ka. Kung kumakain ka, I don't know kung saan. Jollibee! Jollibee? Nasa Jollibee ka? right! Wow! Nasa Jollibee si CJ! Yung galing ko dun, Oh my gosh. Iyak ako 'pag naiwan ko yung ayan! Wala bang Jollibee sa Singapore? Nasa Jollibee ka! Oh my gosh, I'm correct. Meron wala bang peach mango pie dun? JR, have you tried Jollibee? What can you say about Jollibee? Iba. Not yet. Oh, wait, you don't have there, right? But if you're gonna try Jollibee, you try the spicy chicken. I don't know if it tastes the same, but the spicy chicken is so yummy. The fries with gravy. You try it. If you're gonna eat Jollibee, try to buy fries and then dip it to gravy because Jollibee's gravy is so yummy. Yeah, and then what else? And then the spaghetti is yummy. I just don't know if it tastes the same. Hindi. Or try the fries and the gravy. It's yummy. Hi, Zafiro! Happy lang saan ka nga? You and I. In California, they don't serve the classic breakfast anymore. What are the classic breakfast? I don't know about it. Hi, friends. We still have 15 minutes to win this campaign to enter top 20. Oh, let's go. Let's enter top 20. You and I and be the Tapa and such. Oh, I haven't tried tapa in Jollibee. Yeah, I haven't tried it. JR, have you seen the video that I have posted? The one with Moshi? Because my stomach earlier is very painful. They have adobo rice in the US. Oh, wow, sarap nun I didn't think so. Yeah, Moshi is so cute earlier. But I think you cannot understand the text because it's written in Filipino, in Tagalog. But to cut it short, she is comforting me because I am really feeling the pain in my stomach, and it's really painful. Like I was shouting earlier, but I'm not. I edited out in my video because it doesn't seem pretty. I was like, I'm doing this. Ah! I was like that earlier. But you can see my face that it's really painful. And Moshi is comforting me. See, she's comforting me. Oh, so cute, right? I'm doing this. It's painful. Yeah, she's really comforting me. I don't have any plans to Pico's pain. Oh, that's what I don't know. If it's Pico's pain, if it's just in my stomach because of the air, or I don't know. I don't know. It's so painful. Like very, very painful. She's taking care of me earlier. Clear's not here because she's buying something and buying a medicine. And that's why it's me and Moshi. It's just me and Moshi here. Wala hindi pa nga ako nagkakaroon Hindi ako nagkaroon ngayong buwan. Siguro malaking factor kasi hindi ako nakakainom lagi ng gamot. Alam niyo, ito lang yung pangit kasi talagang dumedepende na yung ano sa pills. Dapat 6 months magpapa-check up ako ulit So, yon. Wala kang questions. JR, do you have questions? I'm willing to answer. I'm gonna answer your questions. By the way, happy 190,000 followers to my Instagram. Opo, may pigos ako mahal. I can't remember. Will CJ drop now? Wow, user J, thank you! Thank you so much! I don't know, you ask her. Man, may tanong JR. Thank you, user G! Thank you so much. Thank you so much. More. I still have 11 minutes. Mahal, tinatanong ka siya ni JR. Ay, nako. For a while, because she's still securing her Jollibee. Mahal ah. Baka mamaya maiwan ka. Hi, Jovan! Welcome to my live. Thank you so much for following me. Nahulaan mo eh, di ba nagbagsakin? she needs to take care of her Jollibee first. I told her, you might miss your flight. Thank you so much, Jovan, for following me. I can't remember when you're not. Yes, last day of campaign, 10 minutes to go na lang. Tapos na yung campaign natin. Wow! Yes, Sergio, thank you so much! Oh my gosh! Combo! Laban! Fight! User G, CJ, and JR will fight. Yay! Will fight for me for the slot. Hi, user. Feeling ko si user din. Alam mo, mahal, na-miss ko na yung drop mo. Gawin na nating 50 ang mangga mo. Feeling ko mag-80 pa si user. User G, are you flying already? Mahal, don't forget to take more water. Yeah. But right now, I'm just gonna take my pineapple juice. Ay, wala na pala. Hi, baby Lilia and Hans. Welcome to my live. 9 minutes to go before the campaign ends. Wala kang questions? Nag-take ka naman. Hindi na ka nag-take ngayon kasi tapos na yung ng gamot ko. Sa month na to, User G and I are gonna peer pressure CJ now. Mali, peer pressure ka daw ni CJ, ay ni JR tsaka ni User G. User G. Hi, Cloud Squall. Welcome and welcome back to my live. What if we rare? Hi, Buni Mikamot. Hi, user. Hello, Silent. Hi, Emmer. Hi. Hi, everyone. Welcome to my live. Hi, Mons. Hello. It's me. Do you have questions or no? You don't want to ask me questions anymore? Iris, are you there? Wow! Thank you, Sergi! Thank you for the super hello. Wanna get nasty. And I love when she called me daddy. She not shy. She want it. No, she down to ride. That's her favorite position is the peace sign. You don't have questions anymore. Wala na si Iris. Iniwan na ako ni Iris. So she made the best. Let me see kung pang ilang top na tayo. We're in top 20 right now. Let's go. Let's get in. I like you do, and you do it nasty. Do it nasty. Do Do it nasty. Do it nasty. Do it. Hi, user. Hi, Alet. Hi, Leon. I'm your daddy. Do it nasty. I like it better when you do it like no hands. Ano magandang sound dito? Wait, sorry. No, you never say you want it. Yun na lang. What's something what's something you must do whenever you travel? Vlog. I need to do vlogs so that I can show it to the people who are supporting me or me and Cleo. Because sometimes, not sometimes, most of the time, if we're out of the country, I forgot to go live because hi Mahal, welcome back, because I'm tired. It's been a long day and we are really enjoying the vacation. But one thing I don't forget is to go vlog, or like to vlog. Wow! Thank you, Mahal! Yay! Because I want you guys, wow, to be part of that travel. Oh, what about besides doing vlog and social media? Thank you so much, DJ. Thank you so much. Thank you, mahal. Mahal, thank you so much. Ba't kailangan mo mag-run? I think aside from doing vlog or social media is hmm, anong I think to have something for Cleo. Every time we go out of the country, I always have something for her, even though just it's not that big, but I always have something for her because I want every out of the country to be memorable, not just by going around and stuff. Yeah, going around and traveling and having fun, but I also want her to feel important, and for her not to forget what we did to that country. And every time she sees or like wear something that I gave her from that specific country, or whatever I showed her or did for her, she'll always remember that she had a good time. Yeah. What are your hardest things, or what are the hard things about traveling? I think it's multitasking. Every time we go out of the country, or even out of town. Yeah, have a good flight back daw, mahal, sabi ni User G. Every time we travel, even though it's just out of the country, even though if it's out of town or out of the country, as long as we're traveling, the multitasking part is very hard because we need to enjoy, and at the same time we need to go vlog. It's hard to do the same thing or like multitask because I'm not a multitask person. But I I'm not good at multitasking, but every time I go live or I do vlogs, I'm really doing my best to showcase what we are doing, or to involve you guys to what we are doing. So that's the hardest part for me because I have a lot of bags. I'm carrying a lot of bags. I have this luggages and stuff, and I also need to hold my camera so that I can film. It's very very hard. And I think if we're just alone, it's hard for us if we're just alone, because it's really hard to look for the trains and stuff. So, yeah. But the hardest part is to multitask. We still have 3 minutes to go. Mahal, ba't ka tumatakbo? So, something, yeah. Your vlogs make me add more places to my list of places to visit. Yeah, right? It's so nice. We are really showing you guys the beauty of the countries that we are visiting. Yes, magla-live ako sa TikTok after nito. 2 minutes to go before this campaign ends. Hi, my love. One of my, I think the most memorable out of the country, I think it would be the Thailand because it's our first anniversary. So far, that's the most memorable. But all of them are memorable, but the most memorable I think is the Thailand trip. Yeah, it's really hard to, multitask, especially if you're traveling. CJ and a lot of people who are with us, even though if it's not out of the country, even out of town, just out of town, it's really hard to multitask. It's really hard to enjoy, and at the same time you're gonna think about the vlog and stuff. Hi, Mahal. It's really hard. Ay, 1 minute to go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Wala na magla-lost drop sa inyo dyan. Last 1 minute. Let's go. Let's go. Hi, Mahal. Hi, user. 1 minute. Let's go. So, yay! Thank you, Krista User. Just thank you. Let's go. 30 seconds. Ah! Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's enter top 20. Sana maka-enter ako sa top 20. Charis. Charing ching ching ching. Mahal. 10 seconds. Let's go. Hi, Anonymous. Welcome. Welcome to my life. Let's go! Oh my goodness! Wala, no. Sana makapasok tayo. Sana nakapasok ako sa top 20. As of now, nasa top 20 ako. I don't know kung pasok tayo or no, but sana pasok sa top 20. Hey! Sana pasok, sana pasok. Yay! Pasok! Yay! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Pasok tayo! Yay! Congrats! Yay! Oh my god, I'm so happy. It's been a long time. It's been a long time since the last time I entered the campaign. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Yay! Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Oh my gosh, you guys are the best. Yeah. Thank you so much to JR. You are the best. CJ. Sir James. Grabe si Sir James. Ano sa atin 80k to User G. Thank you so much. You guys are the best. And to everyone who dropped tonight. Thank you. Thank you. I'm so happy. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so happy because it's been a long time since the last time I have entered top 20 or campaigns, right? So, I'm so happy. Next time, let's go top 1. Top 1! Hoy! Hala, thank you so much. So again, before I end my live and go live to TikTok, I'm gonna answer the question again. It's really hard to multitask, especially if we are traveling. People who are with us or who saw us traveling or vlogging, they can really see the pressure and the hardness of the things that we are doing, because especially for me that I'm not a multitasking person, it's really hard to enjoy and at the same time to bring the people who are supporting us to the things that we are doing. It's really hard to enjoy the moment and at the same time thinking about the angles, thinking about the vlog and stuff. And after enjoying, you need to, hi guys, so here, blah, 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 to talk again to the people who are watching. But I'm not tired. It's just hard, but it's hard, but I'm not tired because that's what I want to do. I want the people to involve, the people who are supporting me and Cleo to be part of the things that we're doing, and I want them to be updated, not just by doing live and stuff, but also to the things that we're doing and places that we're going. So we always want to include you and involve you and bring you to the things or places that we are going. It's hard again, but it's not tiring. Sometimes it's physically tiring, but the thought of stop do but I never thought of stop doing it because it's very tiring. our physical and mental is really it is limited edition. Limited edition. No, we have this capacity of strength and tiring and stuff like that, right? So it's very tiring, but never thought of stopping. Yes. Thank you so much for tonight, mga bading. Yes, I'm gonna register, of course. Happy win. Glad my last job was not for nothing. Much success for them. This is gonna be your last visit, user J. No, no, never. Thank you, Krista. Excited na ako sa vlog ni Cleo. Yeah, I don't have a Hong Kong vlog kasi I gave it to Cleo so that she can enjoy her birthday vlog. The whole Hong Kong vlog is hers. The Macau is my vlog. It's because we stayed there for only one night, but it's okay. But I think I have a surprise for you to my Hong Kong trip. So it's gonna be a surprise soon, but I don't have a vlog. Yeah, I don't have a Hong Kong vlog. But I have a little surprise for you guys. 12:10. 12:10, I'm gonna end my live. Okay? 6 more minutes. So if you wanna drop something, anything you want, you can drop whatever you want. So free gifts. Tomorrow pa, I'm gonna start again my campaign tomorrow, but now I think it's gonna be a free gift. Whatever you want to drop, whatever kind of gifts. So kahit magpa-Yamashita kayo. Yamashita, oh my gosh, I miss Yamashita. Yamashita is my saver before. Yamashita. Ang laki, no? Ang laki ng lifesaver. Yeah. So, yeah. Question pa. We still have 5 minutes. Do you still have questions? I like to answer questions. Hi, Pingu. User, thank you so much for following me. Hi, user. Yeah, I'm so happy. Oh my gosh. User G, please don't. I'm gonna miss you. Trust me, I'm focused. Hi, Krista. Hi, Eric. Welcome back again, Krista. You just need some TLC. TLC. Take your mind. Excuse me. I know girls can never say they want it. I think CJ is running for her flight. Mahal, Jollibee pa more. I think 2 a.m. pa yung flight niya. Mahal, since day 1 nakilala kita. 2021 till na dami ko pa rin natutunan sa'yo. Thank you. Aww. You're welcome, Mahal, and thank you so much for still watching me. Since 2021 till now, thank you so much. Thank you so much. If you think I am inspiring you, you guys are also inspiring me to do a lot of things and to become better. You just need some love. You just need some head in the shower. Oh, I don't have a vlog. I don't have a Hong Kong vlog, but I think I'm gonna merge my birthday surprise to Cleo to my Macau vlog. I don't know. Maybe I'm gonna have a sitting vlog here so that I can explain what happened. So you need to watch out for the surprise. So i-watch out nyo kung ano yung surprise ko sa birthday ni Cleo. And syempre, special thank you talaga kay CJ and kay yourself for helping me out. Grabe, sobrang solid. I cannot do it without them. Sobrang solid. Thank you so much, guys. Love lots. Hi, Pao. 2 minutes to go. I'm gonna end my live na. Laking question. Special thank you rin sa looks. Sa looks mo, dali kuhanan. Ha? Special thank you rin sa looks mo, dali kuhanan. Ha? Maganda mo ha? Sarap panoorin yung mga vlogs niyong dalawa kahit paulit-ulit hindi na thank you, Krista. Di ko gets, mahal. Thank you din sa looks ko, madaling kuhanan. Ng picture? Ng picture? Ay, thank you din sa mga most of the photos that I am posting is taken by Rosel. Mayabang. Yeah. Siya talaga yung go-to. Mahal, paano? Rosel and CJ, of course. Yan. Tapos, mas ma-video kasi si CJ. Si Mahal kasi, matik yan. Pag may ginawa ka or naglalakad ka pa lang, nagbe-video na yan or nagpe-picture na yan talaga kaagad. Si Mahal, si CJ kasi medyo aligaga pa siya kasi siya yung namin, siya yung map talaga. Siya talaga yung nag-lead sa amin, ganyan. Siya talaga yung medyo busy talaga siya. Magpo-phone siya, titingin siya sa ganyan. So, si Rosel talaga, pagka nakita niya nandiyan na kami, magbe-video na kaagad yan. Oo. So, ayan. Special thanks talaga sa kanila kasi grabe, grabe talaga. Daming photos and videos. Ay, hindi Anong lang, hindi Special thanks talaga sa inyo, mahal. Grabe, galing. Sarap pala ng may mga kasama, may mga pictures out of nowhere. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm gonna end at 12:10 because I'm gonna go live on my TikTok account. Special thanks kasi sa naglaro ko sa team. Talaga ba? Yeah. Sailor Moonlight, hi. Welcome to my live. I'm gonna end my live na. I'm gonna go to my TikTok live. Thank you so much again, JR, CJ, Sir James, User G. Thank you so much, March, and to everyone who dropped tonight. Thank you so much. Congratulations, because we entered the top 20 campaign. So thank you so much. I hope next time you're gonna support my campaign as well again. Thank you so much, and sa lahat ng mga nanood, mahal, thank you so much for watching me. I'm so happy. Ano po TikTok account nyo? Ward_Reynalyn. Same with my Kumu account. So yun, see you there. I'm gonna go live on my TikTok. Thank you again, and I love you so much. Oh, word of the day. Always remember that your uniqueness is what makes you different. So whatever kind of uniqueness you have, use it, show it, and do it, because you are special and you are different from others. And who knows, yung uniqueness mo and yung pagiging different mo sa iba, yun yung bagay na magandang mangyayari sa buhay mo, 'di ba? Always, I just look for your uniqueness, use it, improve it, and boom, you'll see some results. Ayun, I love you and see you again. Maybe see you sa TikTok ko. Bye-bye. See you now, again, later, or tomorrow. Bye. Love you. See you again. Resorts World Manila.